Justin Bieber is receiving tons of hate for his latest Instagram from just about everyone, minus one celeb. Justin Bieber can't do anything right these days, from growing a heinous mustache to dubbing someone the best rapper of all time. He's just always in the wrong, except in Hailey Baldwin's eyes, I'm sure. How's it going, guys? I'm Madison Hill. Believers, get ready to defend your guy. Recently, Justin Bieber posted Drake's new track list for his upcoming album, and although it was nice to see another artist promoting another artist, it was Justin's caption that caused the internet to lose their damn minds. And that is not even an exaggeration, people. Justin captioned the track list saying, "Everyone cop the best rapper of all time's new album tonight at midnight." So if you agree with Justin, get on listening to Drake's new album right now because it apparently has some really great stuff. However, I have a feeling the majority of you are going to agree with the haters who really disagreed with Justin, calling Drake the best rapper of all time. People commented things like, "Drake isn't even a rapper. He's far from being the greatest. I should unfollow him for this caption." And finally, "How much did he pay you?" Now, as I mentioned, there was one celeb who agreed with Justin's claim, and that celeb is none other than Millie Bobby Brown. Not only does she know a thing or two about being cyberbullied recently, but we know her and Drake are basically besties, so of course she had to stick up for the guy. Personally, I like Drake. Do I think he's the greatest rapper of all time? No. But do I think Justin deserved tons of hate for saying that? Also no. I will mention this isn't Justin's only controversial post this week. Earlier, he posted a video of his growing mustache on his Instagram stories, and fans completely hated that also, saying things like, "Someone tell Justin Bieber to shave off that mustache and get a haircut," and "Someone tell Justin Bieber that mustache be looking like ugly butthole hair, not even because girls be having that Brazilian wax." I'm sorry, I had to include that because that last tweet has me dead. Although this week might not have been Justin's best on social media, at least Hailey Baldwin still loves him. Those two have not cooled off yet. I can't wait to hear all your guys' thoughts on Justin Bieber receiving tons of hate for saying Drake is the best rapper of all time. Do you agree with him or think he deserved the backlash? Let me know in the comments below. For more on Justin Bieber, check out our latest story on him and Hailey Baldwin going on a church date. And for more celeb news, subscribe to Hollyscoop.